Hi, in today's video we're gonna show you how to remove background from image using a free Microsoft software from Windows 10 called Paint 3D. First we choose the picture which we want to remove the background. Like for example we're gonna use the picture of this cute sheep. Now we're gonna open it with Paint 3D. And then we're gonna select Magic Tool to remove the background. Once we select it we're gonna click on any of the white dots to reduce the background of the picture. Once you do that, just select the button where it says Next. As you can see now the background almost has been removed and it's entirely. If you see some parts of the background that's still there and it hasn't been removed yet, you can always click the button that says Remove here that looks like pencil. Now all we have to do is to unselect this area here where it says Autofill Background. And then press Done. Once you do that, just hover where it says Canvas. Turn off the button where it says Show Canvas. As you can see now the background of the picture it's gone. All you have to do now is save your project by clicking where it says Menu. Now just hover where it says Save As and then click where it says Save As. And then choose the type that you want to save your picture in your computer. It can be PNG or JPEG. As you can see, the background has been removed and it looks transparent. So finally all you have to do is save it and type the name under which you want to save the picture and click Save again. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us the thumbs up for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Hasta la vista, baby.